guys. Because in my tunnel, there you go. Yay!
Yay! So we're gonna learn letters today, yeah, baby?
Yeah!
We're gonna do E, F, G, and H. Okay. So, how do we do an E, Amari?
So, it is enough.
Yes.
To the top, to the middle, to the bottom.
Well done. Okay. Daddy's turn. Down. Tick at the top. Tick in the middle. Tick at the bottom. Can everybody see that? Yes? Okay. So let's Daddy wipe it out. And we'll do that one more time for everybody to see. Okay? Go. Tick at the top. Tick in the middle. Tick at the bottom. Well done. Daddy's turn. Down. Tick at the top. Tick in the middle. Tick at the bottom. Well done. Okay, so after E comes F. How do we do an F?
Better. It is enough.
Yes, baby.
Better. It is it.
Good boy. Okay. Daddy, do it. Down. Big tick. Little tick. Well done. Can we do that one more time for everybody to see, please, Amari? Down. Big tick. Little tick. Good boy. Down. Big tick. Little tick. Well done. That was amazing. So, we've done E, F. Now it's G. Well done. So, Mari, how do we do a G? Good boy. Daddy's turn. Start in the middle, around to the middle. Little up, little across. Good boy. Let's do that one more time for everybody to see. Good boy. Start in the middle, around to the middle. Little up, little across. Fantastic. Well done. So, after G is H. Good boy. How do we do a H?
Down, down, across.
Good boy. Can Daddy do that? Down, down, across. Can everybody see that?
Yes.
Well done. Okay, let's do that one more time for everybody to see, Amari.
Down, down, across.
Good boy. Down, down, across. Well done. And that is how you do E, F, G, and H.
I came to my tunnel. Bye.
Bye.